Come on, get on there. You want to help me make my video? What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Fighter 2T's, back with another informative video. And today, yes, we have the motion sensor light. I'm going to tell you where I got it from, how much I got it for, and what all it does. We're going to open it up, unbox it, pretty much together. Really? They don't want to see you make funny faces. So, what I can tell you about this so far is by iConcept. iConcept, see it up at the top right left-hand corner. It was only $7.50. So if I can get, I guess if I can get a month's worth out of this, it'll be worth it. So let's get right on into it. Motion sensor, magnetic base, built-in rechargeable battery. This doesn't seem like something that should be only $7.50. I got it from Dollar Tree, and it's a motion sensor light, and it has all the little LEDs from top to bottom. It has an on and off and a plus and minus for how bright, I'm gonna assume. And I see it has a rechargeable plug-in, a C plug, and it also has an on and off. And let's see, features 3 operating modes: on, off, and auto. Magnetic motion plate, motion sensor, just wave to turn on. Oh, IR remote to control from a distance. Rechargeable, battery, USB-C cable. See, I said USB-C included, and remote control. It takes 2 AAA batteries, and I just got AAA batteries from no, I didn't get them from Five Below. I think I got them from, No, I got them from the dollar store, but they were actually the Energizer bunnies for like $5. So our Dollar Tree here, where I live at here in PA, they're actually getting really cool stuff. I already came to you guys with one video of a speaker that I got from there. So we'll be right back with the next part of this video. I'll open this up so I don't bore you with me trying to open the packaging of this, because it's, you know what I mean? So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we got it all figured out. I'll just show you what all it comes with. Here's the C plug, and the motion sensor keeps coming on. It works really good. That's the little screws it comes with that you can screw it up into somewhere. And on the back of it,
stick it.
It's a magnet that comes off of it, and you can take it and boom. So you take that adhesive off this side and stick it wherever you want it. And then this sticks to it. And you can see it works really well. There's really dim. And then there's really bright. Boom. And the motion sensor on this thing works really good.
Yeah,
I'm going to put this in my daughter's closet. Is where I'm going to probably use this at.
I cannot see in my closet.
Yeah. So this is going to work out really awesome.
Turn it
and
off.
And it's rechargeable. So whenever it needs charge, you just take it off and stick it on the charger and put it back up there. How long it take to charge, we don't know. It's my first time ever buying one. Here's the controller, what it looks like. Okay. And the only thing they could have did better is made it be a big screw instead of this tiny small screw, which I had to use this little bad boy right here. Why? I just want to know why whoever decided to make this, why would they use this tiny screwdriver?
Wait, turn it off for a second.
Not a good design. Oh, you're trying to see it. Motion sensor. Oh,
not working.
Because I have it upside down.
It's not working.
I don't know. Hold on. Let me turn it on. Now, before I was trying to do motion sensor the whole time, wasn't it?
Yeah, and now it's not working.
I have it on. Let's see if I do it this way. On.
No, you turned it off.
I know I did. It's a little button in the USB, the C plug over there. Okay. Okay. I mean, it's $7.50, but it'll work for the purpose you're using it for. Look, now it wanted to work.
Why did it?
See, there you go.
Yeah. Sometimes it wants to work and sometimes it doesn't.
And I think if you're just using it and you're sitting it somewhere, you're not going to be trying to cut it on and off like that often. And to be honest with you, you probably can just take it down, cut the light on, and then put it up wherever you're trying to put it at without messing with the remote. Like, it just seems like,
Yeah, you can just use that.
use it like that. I think that will probably work the best, right? Take it down for where you want to, cut it on, and put it back up there. But the sensor might work once it's sitting up wherever it needs to sit at. It might work for you. So we'll see if it actually works, and we'll come back with the next part of the video. So now you're going to see it work, Livy. So it's not on. So open the closet, open the curtain. Boom. It came right on. Now close it. And just close it. Yeah, close it. Yeah. Now just wait a few minutes. See the LED light in there.
And don't move.
We see Shorty Bop down there. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it cuts off. It's motion sensitive. But it shouldn't be able to see me if the blackout curtain is there. It go by motion, so I don't think it see our motion. There it go. It went off. You see it? Now open the curtain. Boom. Came right back on. There you go. So I hope this video helped you guys in deciding if you want to use a controller, you can use a controller. So I hope this helped you guys in deciding whether you want to get you one of these awesome LED lights. And shout out to Olivia for wanting to help me do this video.
Because I'm bored.
She's bored, so she wanted to bother her dad. So here's the little C plug that comes with it, and it has you can mount it. You can actually mount it so it doesn't come off. But I kind of like the plate that's on it. I put that to the top of every time she goes in her closet, she opens those curtains like that, those blackout curtains. And she can go in her closet now and be able to see what she's looking at without disturbing Dad in the morning when I'm trying to get some sleep on the summer days when I'm home on Mondays and Sundays. Now you can go in your closet and get your clothes out of there, whatever you need. Because we got 2 closets in our room, so one of them's hers, so one of them's my wife's. And then I have a whole bunch of cubes in front of my gaming area where my TV is that I use for all my clothes. And the stuff that I need to hang up, I hang up. I have a closet also in my living room that I can use to hang clothes. So, yep, that was it for the video. Anything you want to add to it? Anything what I should start doing is adding bloopers. Like when I was pushing you out of the way. I think that'll be really funny. People be interested in that. I love you guys. Olivia does too. God bless you guys. I'll even leave you guys with a scripture that let me know that y'all made it all the way to the end. Put this scripture down in the comment section if you made it this far in the video. John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son, that whoever should believe in him should not perish, but have everlasting life.
And comment down below if you love me.
Oh gosh. Yep, we're out of here.